Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Perpay credit card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're trying to rebuild your credit, but find traditional credit cards or massive upfront deposits a total headache here, the Perpay credit card is a really fascinating option to look at. Now think of it as a card that is literally powered by your paycheck to make building credit completely automated. Now when you apply, they completely skip the old school hard credit check, so your score doesn't take a hit right out of the gate. So instead, they just verify your steady employment and income to hand you an unsecured MasterCard with a credit line that usually starts anywhere between $300 and $1,500. So the way it operates day to day is where things get interesting. Now, once you are approved, you link the card directly to your employer's payroll system. And from then on, whenever you get paid, a small predetermined portion of your paycheck is automatically sliced off and routed straight to Perpay to clear whatever balance you have run up from swiping the card. Now, because the payment happens on the back end before the cash even hits your regular bank account, it makes missing a due date or paying a late fee virtually impossible. So they report this consistent on-time history to the major credit bureaus, which gives your score a really solid, reliable boost over time on complete autopilot. Now, but like anything in the fintech world, it is not completely free. Now, there are a couple of big catches here you need to keep in mind. Now, first off, it costs $9 a month just to keep the card active, which basically means you are paying over $100 a year in membership fees. Now, you also earn a cool 2% cash back on all payments you make towards your balance. So you also earn a specific balance here, and those rewards are trapped inside their ecosystem. Now, meaning you can only spend them as credit in the online Perpay marketplace rather than cashing them out to your bank. On top of that, because the whole system relies on electronic payroll integration, you absolutely must be a traditional W-2 employee with a stable job. Now, if you are a freelancer or a contractor or even a gig worker here, the tech simply won't work for you, and that's really unfortunate. So, is it generally worth it right now? So, again, if you have a steady job here, find manual budgeting stressful, and want a foolproof way to stack up on-time payments and improve your credit here without tying up your cash in a secured card deposit, well, Perpay here is incredibly smooth and absolutely worth the look. Now, the payroll automation completely takes the anxiety out of the process, but if you already have the discipline to set up basic autopay on a normal bank account, you are much better off skipping that $9 monthly fee and grabbing a standard, no annual fee secured card from an outfit like the Capital One or something or somewhere similar. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.